the last class we studied cyclic structure of glucose, overall Fischer structure of glucose and also Haber structure of glucose. So in this class we shall discuss open chain structure of fructose, cyclic structure of fructose and also Haber structure of fructose. Now coming to the fructose. Fructose is a monosaccharide. So it is present in fruits and hence fructose is also called as fruit sugars. And also fructose is present in disaccharide, sucrose and in honey. So naturally occurring fructose is a levorotatory compound. That means levorotatory compound means the compound which rotate the plane polarized light towards left are called levorotatory compound. Fructose is also obtained from the disaccharide sucrose. So when sucrose is heated with dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, it undergo hydrolysis. We get glucose and fructose. So fructose is obtained along with the glucose when sucrose is hydrolyzed with dilute HCl or sulfuric acid. So we get fructose. Now coming to the open chain structure of fructose. The molecular formula for fructose is C6H12O6. On the basis of its reaction, it was found to contain ketonic functional group at second carbon atom, and also the 6 carbon atoms are linked in a straight chain as in the case of glucose. Now writing the open chain structure of fructose. First write 6 carbon atoms which are linked in a straight chain. So this is first carbon, second, third, this is fourth one, this is fifth one, this is sixth carbon. In the second carbon there is a ketonic functional group. So on the basis of its reaction, it was found to contain ketonic functional group at second carbon, and also all the carbon atoms are linked in a straight chain in the case of glucose. So in the first carbon there is a CH2OH group, and in the sixth carbon also CH2OH group. So in the fructose there are 2 CH2OH group, and in the third carbon atom the OH group is present on the left hand side, and in the fourth and fifth carbon OH group is present on the right hand side. Now here 1H, and here also 1H, and here also 1H. So this is the open chain structure of fructose. This is the open chain structure of fructose. So this structure belongs to D series, and also it is a levorotatory compound. So the name of this compound can be written like this. So it is a D series. So D minus fructose. So here the D, capital D indicates the position, spatial arrangement of atom or group around the asymmetric carbon atom, and the negative sign indicates the optical rotation. That means this fructose rotate the plane polarized light towards left. So this is the highest asymmetric carbon atom. So highest asymmetric carbon atom means this asymmetric carbon atom farthest from the carbonyl group. So this is the highest asymmetric carbon. In the highest asymmetric carbon atom, the OH group is present on the right hand side. Therefore, we call it as D structure. So D form. So the name of this compound is D minus fructose. Now coming to the cyclic structure of fructose. Overall Fischer ring structure, overall ring structure, Fischer ring structure. Fischer projection formula, Fischer projection formula, overall ring structure. First, I am writing the open chain structure of fructose. So in the open chain structure of fructose, it contains 6 carbon atoms which are linked together in a straight chain, which are linked together in a straight chain. And there is a ketonic functional group like second carbon and 2 CH2OH group at first and last carbon. So CH2OH group. And at third carbon there is a OH group which is present on left hand side. Fourth and fifth carbon atom contain OH group which are present on the right hand side. Here from H, this is H, this is here H. So this is the open chain structure of B minus fructose. So this first carbon I am writing here CH2OH. So during ring formation, there is an interaction between alcoholic OH group, fifth carbon alcoholic OH group, and carbonyl carbon, second carbonyl carbon. So this leads to the formation of a 5-membered ring called furanose ring. So here in the second carbon there is a carbonyl group. So in carbonyl group oxygen is more electronegative, so it acquires negative charge, and this carbon acquires positive charge. And in the fifth carbon, the alcoholic OH group, in the alcoholic OH group, oxygen will get negative charge and hydrogen will get positive charge. So during ring formation, there is an interaction between this fifth carbon alcoholic OH group and the second carbon carbonyl group. So this H interact with this second carbon oxygen, and also there is an interaction between this fifth carbon oxygen and the second carbon carbonyl group. So I am writing this thing here. Now I am writing the fissure structure. So write carbon here, and this is CH2OH group. Write CH2OH group here. So this is the first carbon, this is second carbon, and there is an interaction of this H and this O. So I am writing OH. So this double bond will shift that, and write the same thing as it is. So in the third carbon there is one H and OH, and in fourth carbon also there is one OH and H, and in fifth carbon here one H. Write this oxygen in the ring form, and the remaining thing is CH2OH group. So this is alpha D minus fructose. So in this is the fissure structure 1. This is the fissure structure 1. In the fissure structure 1, the alcoholic OH group is present on the right hand side. So this is called alpha D minus fructose. So this OH, you can also write this OH on left hand side also. So now I am writing the fissure structure 2. So in the second carbon I am writing this OH in the left hand side. So here CH2OH. So in the second carbon I will exchange these two groups. So next write the same thing as it is. In the third carbon, this is the third carbon H. There is H and OH. And in third carbon OH, H. And in this is fourth carbon, this is fifth carbon, this is H and draw a oxygen in the ring form, and the remaining thing is CH2OH group. So this is beta D minus fructose. This is fissure structure 2. This is fissure structure So these two structures are called fissure structure or cyclic structure. During the formation of a ring, during the ring formation, there is an interaction of fifth carbon alcoholic OH group and the this carbonyl group. So this lead to the formation of a 5-membered ring, which are named as furanose ring, with the analogy to the furan compound. So this alpha and beta form are optical isomers which differ only in the position of the OH and CH2OH group at the second carbon atom. So therefore, these two structures are called. So this alpha and beta D fructose are optical isomers which are differ only in the position of the OH and CH2OH group. OH and CH2OH group at the second carbon atom. Therefore, these are called anomers. These are called anomers. Anomers means optical isomers which differ only in the position of the OH and CH2OH group at the second carbon atom are called anomers. Now coming to the Haber structure of fructose. So during the ring formation, there is an interaction between fifth carbon alcoholic group and the carbonyl group. So this leads to the formation of a 5-membered ring which are named as furanose ring. So now I am writing the furanose ring. So furanose is a cyclic compound containing 5-membered ring in which contain 4 carbon atom and 1 oxygen. So furanose, the structure of furanose is, it is a cyclic 5-membered compound containing 1 oxygen and 4 carbon atoms. So this is the furanose structure. So this is resemblance with the furan. This is the structure of furan. So this is furanose. Now first I am writing the furanose ring. It is a 5-member ring which contain 1 oxygen and 4 carbon atoms. So this is furanose ring. Draw lines like this and give numbering to the carbon atom. So this is second carbon atom, this is first carbon atom, this is third one, this is fourth carbon atom, this is fifth carbon atom, and this is sixth carbon atom. Now I am writing the Haber structure of alpha D minus fructose. So all the groups which are present on the right hand side. Suppose this is right side, this is left side. So all the groups which are present on the right hand side, you write it down, So all the groups which are present on the right hand side, you write it down, and all the groups which are present on the left hand side, you write it top. So all the groups which are present on the left hand side, you write it top. So now coming to the Haber structure of alpha D fructose. First draw 5-membered cyclic ring which contain 1 oxygen and 4 carbon atom, and draw line like this and give numbering to the carbon atom. So the group which are present on the right hand side. Now I am writing the group which are present on the right hand side. So you write it this group in group down. So in the second carbon. So this is the second carbon. So OH is right here, and then third carbon H, and the fourth carbon is OH, and in the fifth carbon, this is the fifth carbon, you always write the CH2OH group at the top. So this position is always fixed. Sixth carbon position is always fixed, and the remaining is hydrogen. So write the groups which are present on the left hand side, write this group top. So the second carbon atom, so this is the second carbon atom, so write CH2OH group, and in the third carbon atom write OH, and in the fourth carbon atom write H, and already wrote this H. So this is the Haworth structure of, this is the Haworth structure of alpha D minus fructose. This is the Haworth structure of alpha D fructose. So Haworth structure na ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯೂರನೋಸ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ನ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಫ್ಯೂರನೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್ ರಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ನ ಬರೆದೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ಯೂರನೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫ್ಯೂರನೋಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಫ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ತರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ರಿಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫ್ಯೂರನೋಸ್ Haworth ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಿಶರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಂತ ಫಿಶರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂತ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂತ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಫಿಶರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂತ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮೇಲ್ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು Haworth ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಡಿ ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ Haworth ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಡಿ minus fructose. So this is beta D minus fructose. So first draw 5 membered cyclic ring which contain 1 oxygen and 4 carbon atom. Draw line like this and give numbering to the carbon. So this is second carbon, this is third carbon, fourth, fifth, and always sixth carbon is present at the top. This is sixth carbon. So in sixth carbon there is a CH2OH group. So in sixth carbon write CH2OH group. Now the group which are present on the right hand side of the fissure structure. So you write these groups down. So in the second carbon, the CH2OH group, write the CH2OH group here, and then H. In the fourth carbon, OH. So this is first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third one, this is fourth one, this is fifth and sixth one. So write at the fourth carbon atom, write OH, and in the fifth carbon, CH2OH is always at the top, and the remaining one is hydrogen, write the hydrogen. Next, the group which are present on the left hand side, the group which are present on the, this is left side, this is right side. So the group which are present on the left hand side, you write it top. So at the second carbon atom, OH, write OH here, and in the third carbon atom, OH, and in the fourth carbon atom, H, and in the fifth carbon atom, write this H here. So this is the Haworth structure of beta D minus fructose. So beta D minus fructose Haworth structure ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ನ ಬಂದು, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಫ್ಯೂರನೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ನ ಬರೆದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಿಶರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಬೀಟಾ ಡಿ ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫಿಶರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ CH2OH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು OH ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ OH ಮೇಲಿದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ OH ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ H ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ CH2OH ಬರಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ Haber structure of beta minus fructose. So we call this structure as beta D minus fructofuranose, and also this structure as alpha D minus fructofuranose, because there is a 5-membered ring. It is a furanose form.